breakfast, but I don't even care. It was too good to pass on.
What the?
Oh my god. Something like this. That's part of my
This video is insane.
Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video I'm starting a bit of a new mini series where I cook up with other producers. So my idea was to meet with other producers who don't normally get on camera, who don't do tutorials, but still have a crazy amount of talent. So in the first episode I'm meeting up with my guy Soulker. Soulker's a sick producer. He's built up an audience of almost 700,000 subscribers on YouTube just by posting beats, and he's based in Strasbourg in France. So I'm flying out there to meet him. I've got to connect through Amsterdam and then I get to Strasbourg tonight at around 10 p.m. so I'm gonna meet up with him tomorrow, and yeah, I think it's gonna be sick. Soulker's been on the podcast before, but we've never actually met in person. But yeah, I'm excited, man. I think the Cookup's gonna be sick. I think everyone's gonna love the new series of Cactus Cookups. So let's get into episode 1. Just arrived at the hotel in Strasbourg. We had to connect through Amsterdam to get here, and they told us that the bags might not even arrive today, but they pulled through in the end. They got here, so yeah, I'm all set for now. I'm just gonna chill tonight and then link up with Soulker early tomorrow. Alright, so I've just had a good sleep, I'm feeling fresh, and this morning I'm just gonna head out, have a little walk around Strasbourg, and I need to get some breakfast, and I also need to find a travel adapter. It's the one thing that I forgot this time. So yeah, I'm gonna sort all of that and then meet up with Soulker. So let's get into it. Breakfast, but I don't even care. It was too good to pass on. So I'm here with my guy Soulker, and I think the plan for today is there is no plan. We're just gonna start cooking up some beats. This guy's a man of many talents, so I'm sure we're gonna come up with some fire.
Let's go.
Alright, cool. So we're gonna cook up a melody on my laptop. I didn't manage to find an adapter for it like I was saying earlier, so I've got to try and make something before the battery dies. I'm on 70%, but it's dropping quick, so let's see what we can do. What vibe we're thinking for the first one?
Honestly, let's try maybe some, well, just try out some chord progression and let's see where it brings us.
Dark vibes, yeah?
Yeah, that's dark vibes.
Right,
yeah, that sounds good. Maybe a little strum effect on the, or some higher notes or different.
Definitely.
Yeah, that's actually nice, and you can change it up, structure it.
What the? Oh my god. Yeah,
feel like
violin could be sick actually. Does that work or is it too basic?
it does. I like maybe if you just maybe change.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I've made it a mess of it.
You know what I mean? Like
Yeah. Alright, so we've just sent the loop into Soulker's laptop because, like an idiot, I didn't manage to get an adapter in time and that was stress, man. We were running low, that battery was running low real quick. So yeah, we managed to pull out something though. So we can just chop this up, we can see what we can come up with.
Start working on some drums, yeah?
Yeah, I think
go.
so. Yeah. Synth bass or
a sort of synth moog, like a sort of kind of like a punch bass, but there's this certain bass called I think classic moog or something.
Oh yeah.
tempo do you use for drill?
130. Oh, maybe put it up to, I don't even know we're on 130. I'd put it up to like 140 at least.
Right, yeah.
Kind of change the vibe.
Yeah, let's put 136 maybe. Yeah, this one's gonna be good. Right.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Oh. Something like this. That's part of my goal. Crazy at the end. I usually start with like a simple pattern and then in the second part just going wild. Cancel it. Feel bad for Vicky, cancel that man. Makes it like shake a bit or wobble a bit. Yeah.
Try it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one sounds fun.
It sounds just like Alright, so we've just finished cooking 2 bangers. The first one was like boom bap mixed with trap, and then the second one was drill. But I think the second one was sick. I think it had a good combination between my style and Soulker's style, like that unique atmosphere that it creates. So yeah, that one was hard, and we were making that on a soundbar as well. We don't have monitors in here, he's usually working on headphones. So yeah, to say we were doing that on a soundbar, I think it came out hard. But let me know what you guys think.
Cactus.
Alright bro, good to see you.
Bro.